Aren't there too many large cafes these days? They're all similar. There are so many large cafes that many people say they are just similar. I heard there was a cafe in a renovated, abandoned factory that you couldn't tell whether it was a museum or a cafe, so I went there right away. This is Joyang Bangjik, located in Sinmunri, Ganghwa-do. In front, there is a really thin iron fence like a factory. And as soon as you enter, you can't help but say, wow. There are cutely decorated buildings that look like factories. If you enter the exhibition hall in front of the entrance sign, you will see various props on display, starting with musical instruments, farming equipment, amusement equipment, blackboards, stoves, and even an old sign that say, "Beware of dog." When you pass the first exhibition hall, you will see a large yard and buildings. When you enter the main building, you will be impressed by the cafe's larger size and splendid appearance than expected. In particular, there were lots of cute animal props, picture frames, and lights, so it was great for taking pictures. This is the entrance to the women's restroom and a baby diaper changing area. The bathroom was decorated so much like a room that I couldn't find it. And a man came in there. Anyway, Joyang Bangjik, a large cafe with a different feel, is a travel destination you must visit at least once. Recommended. Then, see you again next time on a fun trip.